Hey everyone, today I will quickly showcase the Google Maps scraper I am working on. Basically, this tool lets you enter multiple locations and multiple keywords, then combines them together and goes through each of them. Like for example, you type in New York and then comma to separate, and then you type in your keywords. Like you can type in as many locations or keywords as you like. Just make sure that they are separated with a comma between them. Then you start scraping. When you click on start scraping, the scraper combines locations and keywords together and then starts to go through with them. Like it started going through New York dentists, and it goes through all of the search results from Google Maps. When it finds all of the pins from Google Maps, it will save it in an Excel file called New York dentists, like as you can see. And also you can stop scraping by clicking on that button. When you click on open save folder, it will open the save folder of like the root folder of the scraper, where it saves all the Excel files. And also you can see some FAQs. Yeah, this is basically it. Okay, thank you. See you.